Hello, this video has been created as an extra help for the written pattern available at my Etsy shop. So how to connect all the pieces? There is no rules, and this is your project. You can connect them in any order you wish. What I try to do first, look for any imperfection in my main piece, and then I start connecting hands. And why I do that first? I want to establish the front and back of my bunny. So the hands will be indicator where will be my front, my face, and my back where I place the tail. So depending on the yarn you're using, you might or you might not see all the decreases you make in the pattern. So with this yarn, you can actually see them. So I want to be sure that they look nice on both sides. And with each piece finished, we left long tail. That tail is important. We will be using that tail to connect each piece. So what you need is a needle with very large eye. And then once you thread that needle, you place the pieces together again, making sure you are happy where you're placing them. And then you're going one round under the neck round, and that will be your connection of the hand. First, I'm going between two pieces together. Once I get to the other side, I will double check if I'm happy how the hand look like. And again, this is just soft project, so you can arrange, you can pull using the yarn any direction you wish. Now I bend the head and I go in the neck area and connect the hand from the top. Again, going between one of the stitch on the body and one of the stitch of the hand. And before you cut or hide the yarn tail, make sure you're happy. It's easier to remove the stitches now before you cut and rearrange your body part than later once the full connection is completed. Once I'm happy with my connection, I place needle through the body. Make sure you're not pulling too tight. You don't want to change the shape of your body. But this is how I hide the ends inside bunny. And once I'm done with one hand, I will do the same thing with my other hand. So just cut and let go. Now repeat the same process with the other hand. Make sure you are happy where you're placing it. And just a reminder, do not cut the yarn until you're completely happy how your project look like. So my next step, or how I connect pieces, will be the nose. So if you like to see how I connect the nose, please watch this video. If you have questions about this or any other of my projects, please leave them in the comments and I will always answer. Now I want to say thank you for spending time with me. I hope you learned something new. Have a great day and see you next time.